Hey everyone, Chef Adam Glick here. As you may or may not know, I do a ton of cooking outdoors, and I just want to take a quick moment to show you my truck camper and give you some tips for the next time you're cooking outdoors. All right, let's start this little party off with my rig. It's an F-250 Super Duty extended cab with a flatbed. The flatbed is everything, and I'll explain why. Having these spare toolboxes for things like fuel, chainsaw, tools, your onboard air compressor, this type of stuff is crucial for the overlanding world. All right, so the other beautiful part of this setup is the countertops. You get to camp, you pop these down, suddenly I have a place to put my cutting board, put my camera, nothing gets dirty. It's the way to go. All right, so we got her on some BFGs, that's 37-inch KM3s, got an ARB bumper and lights, Warn winch, and of course, Hawk 4-wheel camper. Okay, so after years of cooking on boats, I've really been able to dial in the necessities, and those are a good cutting board, a way to sharpen your knives, 3-piece cook set, that's a stock pot, sauce pot, and skillet, some kind of toolkit to hold all your stuff, a fire source, and of course, my knife kit. Okay, real quick, let's talk about what you can do to make your life easier cooking outdoors. So let me tell you, as a chef, no great meal was ever made without a ton of preparation. What can you do before you leave the house that's gonna make your food taste better and your life a ton easier when you're out here? So that said, the biggest point of advice I can give you is be prepared before you leave the house. In this case, I smoked a pork shoulder, brought it with me in the cooler. I don't have to do hardly any cooking other than reheating the meat and slapping together some tacos. So I hope this little bit of insight into my life of cooking outdoors has helped you. Unfortunately, Tex is ready to go for a paddle, so signing off. Thanks again.